birth in the dawn's first light. Every cog is flawless, every move precise. This machine's a legend, it don't think twice. Steel meets the soil in a walk so grand, taming rugged fields with a steady hand. Innovation roaring in a symphony of pride, where the heart of progress and power collide. It's a titan on the ground, pure and true, breaking barriers like it's born anew. Iron and sweat with a strength untamed, a tractor's glory forever proclaimed. Blazing through the elements with tireless zeal, each motion a promise, each turn ideal. Fueled by vision, driven by the day, building worlds in every track it lays. Listen to the rhythm of its engine soul, a symphony of purpose that will never grow old. Fields of green and mountains tall, this mighty beast was made to conquer all. It's a titan on the ground, pure and true, breaking barriers like it's born anew. Iron and sweat with a strength untamed, a tractor